Hi, it's Chris here. I'm out at the historic Makaraka Cemetery, and I've got an app for you that might help you find the people you're looking for if you've lost the plot.
The app is called ArcGIS Field Maps, or you can search for Field Maps in the App Store or Google Play, depending on your phone. So you just want to install that app. It only takes a matter of seconds. And when you open the app, you do not have to log in, so you can choose Skip Sign On. And then search for the specific map we're looking for. Just search for the word Gisborne, and you should see the Gisborne Cemeteries map. Once you've done that, you can do a search. There's a magnifying glass in the top corner, and this is where you enter the name. It needs to be surname and then a comma and then the first name. Select the person that you are looking for. Their details will come up and you can see if there's any picture there, and then select compass at the bottom, and then you are navigating to where their plot might be. I've sped up this portion. I really don't walk this fast. You can use your fingers to zoom in on the map, and you can also see the plot layer when you've zoomed in, so you can see exactly where you're going.
Now, not all plots have headstones, so this app's going to be useful to find ones where there's just grass.
One of my great-great-great-grandfathers, William Geddy, doesn't have a headstone. There was one a long time ago, but not recently. You'll notice that when you open up the details, there's no picture. So what we do here is now we walk to following the red line on the compass to when it gets to 0 meters in the corner. This was a little tricky for me to find. I just have to keep following that red dot until I got to 0 meters, so I should be standing on where that is.
And apparently this is the spot. So this app works in any of our council cemeteries, although you probably need a mobile data connection, so it may not work in cemeteries that don't have mobile coverage. But hopefully you've enjoyed this and you can use it in your genealogical research. See ya.